Hey everyone, okay, so I got my Juki Junkies order in. Let's see what colors we got this time around. Let me grab my glasses, sorry. Let me grab them. Oop, run away, run away. Okay, let's scooch it in. Oh, this one's beautiful. Man. Peppermint. Wow. That is beautiful. Reminds me of bubblegum more than peppermint. Sea green. Does it seem blurry? I have my glasses on, so there you go. Okay, and then we have Imperial Red. Let's see if they can go this way. Oh, you guys can see them this way. Okay, then we have Cream. I have lots and lots of cream, so I don't know if it's blurry or not. Does it look blurry, you guys? Cotton Candy. I don't think it does, but let me see. We have Mint Julep. Yep, that one's pretty. Oh gosh, you guys, so pretty. And Limerick. Limerick. How cute. Let me see. See right there. Limerick. Do you see that unruly child? Totally left in it. Here, let me put it there. And then we have Peacock. Peacock. Yeah. Peacock. That one's pretty. It's like a lilac. And then this one is orange. So you have Limerick, Peacock, and then you have orange. So, and we have Eclipse, which is black. It's like a, yeah. And then you usually get a little fun thing, a little cabochon. And this one's a stocking. How cute. So I use these like in my PL and stuff. So, alright guys, that was it for this month. This is November's Juki Junkies Glide Haul. And you get, for $45.98, that includes shipping, you get 10 mini spools of glide thread. So this is what I use exclusively for all 3 of my Jukis. Alright guys, take care. We'll see you later. Bye.